Since this is a professional-grade machine that stays connected to power, efficiency and temperature control become especially important during long print sessions. The Reflex RS Turbo operates at roughly 180 watts, which is quite reasonable considering its performance. During several days of continuous testing, the dedicated screen cooling system lowered operating temperatures by about 10 degrees Celsius. That reduction helps protect the screen from long-term wear caused by constant ultraviolet exposure. If you choose the automatic resin heating system, power consumption increases slightly. However, the system keeps the resin at a consistent temperature of around 22 degrees Celsius. That means the resin behaves the same way whether you are printing on a cold winter night or during a warm summer afternoon. Consistent temperature leads to more predictable print quality and fewer surprises.